Welcome back to my channel. This here is a quick tutorial on how to achieve the marble design. So I'm first going to start off by grabbing one of the press-ons, and of course they're too long, so you can actually trim press-ons. I trimmed them with my nail cutter, and then I'm going to go ahead and shape it. The way I shape it is technically the same way I shape acrylic nails. Just be very careful because they are obviously different and it's a different material, so you do not want to bend, crack, or anything. Right here I'm just roughening up the edges, rounding them out a little bit, kind of how I have my nails, and my nails are actually the press-on ones too, so you can't even tell. So just make sure that they're all, even and nicely perfect. And it's very simple, guys. This marble design is I actually do it different than a lot of other people. So right here, before I forget, let me just tell you, I wasn't doing this before, but I decided to do it because I just figured it's obviously normal to do this. You have to buff the press-on nail before applying gel polish if you do not want it to chip. I didn't do it maybe on the first sets that I was doing, but nothing happened, but I started to do it more often, and then I cleaned it, and I'm going to be using white chalk. Reason being, I love this color. It is so pigmented and I only need one coat, especially because we are creating a marble effect, so it doesn't really need many coats. You'll pretty much just need one coat. Make sure you seal the edges and everything. This is what we're going to be doing. After I put it in the lamp in a little bit, I'm gonna need acetone, one of these brushes, like a 3D brush, a striper brush, and some black gel polish, and also like a little towel on the side so you can be cleaning your brush. And you don't need much black. You guys need just a little dab and you'll be fine. So the way I like to start off is just creating random lines. Like if you're doing cheetah, literally just like that. My clients probably think I'm crazy when I do this. They're probably like, what is she doing? Grab a little bit of acetone with a 3D brush and try not to drench it in acetone like I just did right there. But you're pretty much just, maneuvering the color around to your preference. The less black you add, the less effect it's going to give. Obviously, again, it's your preference. You could even create the lines that the marble has with this and like this. You don't have to use the striper brush, but I like to use the striper brush because it gives it more of a defined look. So you pretty much just, dabbing it, making sure you're spreading everything sporadically. Now I'm going to go ahead with my striper brush and kind of create that marble cracking effect. Just very lightly, try not to dramatically add the black because obviously it is pigmented, so just be careful. And if you don't like the way you did it, I'll show you guys right now how I did it. I grab a little bit more acetone and just pretty much wipe it off like so. And it's very simple, guys. I know a lot of you guys do it differently, but this is my way, and again, everybody's style is different. I actually did something the other day that I'll probably show it in a video soon. It's actually really nice. And I'm just going to go ahead and top coat it. When you top coat it, oh, before that, actually, I did cure it because obviously it's gel. When you top coat it, this kind of just like, it's weird. I don't know how to describe it, but it just blends everything out. There we go. And look how pretty and simple. Simple as that, guys. And you only needed a black polish, striper brush, and acetone. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and remember, like and subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.